Here's what the crews were installing today. Looks like a new irrigation, gravity-fed irrigation junction out of the Homeowners Association feed junction. I think this is right here is the upstream stream, or maybe it's this over here, one of the two. And then it goes into this junction box, and this is the feed that goes out of the box and what they just buried today. And it goes all the way over here, all the way over to the pond, I think. I'm gonna check that out from the air.